Hi guys, and welcome to another useful rider alarms video. On this video, this is to show you how to add and remove users via the app service. So we'll get straight into it. So log into the app with the master user code or user one. Only they can add and remove users. So I'm already logged in as the master user or user one. Now the first thing I'm going to do is go into the top left hand corner with the three lines, press those, and then go down to users, click users. And this is where it'll show you the existing list of users on the system already. If we want to remove a user, for example, all you do is you press the three dots next to the name and then click remove. And then are you sure you wish to delete this user? Click yes or remove. And then that person then no longer has any access to the alarm system via the 4-digit code that they've been set up with. So we're going to add a user now. So we'll click plus. And first thing we need to do is set the PIN. So the PIN can be anything you want it to be or whatever the user wants it to be. If it's already been used, it won't let you add it, but in this instance I know it's not going to be, so click save. And then it gives you another drop down box there, as well as a green tick to say that the PIN's been set. So the next bit is the name. So obviously we want to tailor this a bit more so we know exactly who's using the system. So rather than being user 3, we can put in the name. So let's say Bob, for example. Click save. On bigger systems where you've got multiple users, putting the name in is very, very useful. But if not, then you should have a list of all your users and which employee is using that user. So the user 3 might be a certain employee, and you can have that separately as a separate list. So whoever's in charge of the alarm system on site, then that's what you would do. As you go a bit further down, there's other options on there. So the most common one that you're going to use on the app service is the email, which isn't set. Now, if you're adding authorization for this user to have access to the app remotely and with their PIN number and things, they would download the app themselves, connect Alarm, register it and set up the password for the app itself on their phone. And then essentially once you get to that point there, you would then add in their email address that they use to register the app. And then this panel then would appear in their app. They don't have to do anything else with it. And they would just log in with their 4-digit PIN that you just set for them. But in this instance, we're only adding a user. So this user will only be able to arm and disarm the system from either the panel or the keypad on site on this system. They would not have any online services. So if you click back, you can sort of see that Bob's back in there now as user 3. And then that's it, then ready to go. As soon as it's on there, then you know that everything's set up and working as normal. And then they can just go to the keypad, arm the system from the keypad, and then disarm it by putting pressing disarm or unlock and the 4-digit code. Hope this was useful. Any more questions, please feel free to visit our YouTube channel, Rider Alarms. Thank you, bye bye.